Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here with your forecast update. Well, we had the total eclipse across the entire U.S. today. We had 90% here in the Tuscaloosa area. I want to show you something really interesting. This is a visible satellite. Look at the eclipse travel from northwest to southeast across the entire U.S. In fact, right here, watch it start in Portland and quickly track across the country. The eclipse, the shadow of the moon, was actually traveling between about 1,500 miles per hour and 2,500 miles an hour, depending on the angle as it did come across the planet. That was pretty interesting. Now the sun is set, so we lose that visible light, but right there, that's the moon shadow. You don't see that every day on a satellite image. Hey, here's the temperatures this afternoon. It was hot today. We did top out in the mid-90s in Tuscaloosa, Jasper at 99, Montgomery at 97. Really an interesting thing happened today. The temperature actually dropped as the eclipse moved across the area. In fact, Tuscaloosa recorded a 6-degree drop in the temperature in a matter of 30 minutes to an hour as that did pass by, and then temperatures quickly spiked again after that. But again, we are all dry tonight. No rainfall across central or west Alabama. Conditions are all dry out there. No airports reporting rainfall today, but dew points are still pretty high. Dew points in the mid-70s. That means it feels muggy tonight as the air temperature does approach the dew point. No eclipse tomorrow, as we will see full sunshine early in the day. Clouds developing by mid-morning into the afternoon. And I think just like a typical summer day, there's going to be a few scattered storms. There will be a better chance for scattered storms than it was today for tomorrow. The risk of that about 30%. You'll see in our forecast model again tonight, all rain-free. Tomorrow, spotty storms develop across the area. And then Wednesday, as a weakening surface front moves in, again, better chance for some scattered storms this week will occur on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday, I do expect some dry air to slowly take over, but the weekend forecast now highly in question because of what could happen with the tropical development in the Gulf. Some model data brings what was Tropical Storm Harvey, redevelops it, moves it towards Texas, and then that curves northeast into the upper air trough that's supposed to be over us. If that does happen, we'll have to increase the rain chances. Some models really showing a swath of rain coming in here as that weakening low does move northeast. Something we'll watch carefully. I don't think we're going to have any problems along Alabama's Gulf Coast in terms of like a damaging hurricane, but it does look like this thing could go towards Texas, and that indeed happens, and it does cut northeast ahead of that upper air trough. We could see some rain off of that again as we go into the weekend, something we'll carefully monitor. But right now, that's the forecast, the way it stands. I do expect some cooler air, though, to take over late in the weekend and possibly into early next week.